Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I am so excited to be partnering with FabFitFun again to show you their members box. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, they are a subscription service that provides you with the best in beauty, fitness, home, lifestyle. They cover it all in their boxes. This seasonal box is just $49.99, but you will get over $200 worth of full-size products. So not only are you getting a great deal, but you're also getting the opportunity to discover amazing products and new up-and-coming brands. With your membership comes a lot of perks, like you get access to incredible sales, and you also have the ability to customize some of the products that come to you. I also appreciate that FabFitFun partners with a lot of charities and is very supportive to female entrepreneurs. As I mentioned, this is the members picks box, which means it is filled with some of the top rated, most loved products of FabFitFun members. And again, this box is only $49.99, but comes with over $200 worth of products. But if you sign up using my code, which I will include below, you will get $10 off. So you will have over $200 worth of products for just $39.99. All right, let's see what's inside. So, like all boxes, you get a FabFitFun magazine, which has really interesting articles, interviews, but also gives you more information about the products included in the box. There's a HelloFresh gift card right there. Another credit to Bright Cellars. If you are a big wine lover, you might want to hold on to that. This one is $15 off of your first FabFitFun box. This is something that you can give to someone else. So if you have someone that you know would love this kind of stuff, then you can give them this and they get $15 off. Now again, one of the perks of being a FabFitFun member is that you will be able to customize some of the products that are sent to you. So this is something that I selected because I love this product and I can never have enough. This is the makeup eraser. If you guys don't know, it is this amazing cloth that you use to wipe away your makeup. It's so good, so effective. All you have to do is wet it and then just wipe off your makeup and it comes right off. I love that it's reusable. All you have to do is throw it into the wash and you can use it all over again many, many times over and over. So if you're someone that cares about the environment and wants to at least cut down on your single-use products, then this is something that you should definitely look into. Right here is a beautiful gold tone necklace from Amber Sceats. And there are these layered medallions, which is super trendy. The next product is from Winky Lux, and it is their Unibrow. Ooh, Universal Brow Pencil. Really love the packaging there with the gold. Very, very nice. The next product is by SKIN&CO Roma. This is their Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Very interesting. Ooh, it says here, Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is gentle yet effective cleanser and makeup remover that is highly concentrated with antioxidants and skin-soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. Packed with black truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this powerhouse cleanser is full of essential fatty acids and delivers intense hydration while improving skin resilience and tone. Oh, wow, it's wrapped in plastic, but I can still smell it. It smells so good. Oh, wow. Okay, can't wait to try that out. Here we have this from Grace and Stella. This is Down for the Peel Foot Mask. Dr. Pedicure Foot Peeling Mask. I love these things. Have you tried them? Highly recommend them. They are kind of freaky to use. They're like little socks. You wear them for, this says 10 minutes, and then you let them dry off. And then it removes your dead skin, and it's a little freaky, but it leaves your feet feeling so, so soft. Love this. Definitely excited to try this. The next product is from IGK. This is their expensive Amla Oil High Shine Top Coat. Ooh, very nice. I always like finishing off my hair when I'm, getting myself ready. If I have a special event or I want my hair just to be extra nice, I love finishing off my hair with a nice product that leaves my hair looking shiny and feeling super soft. So Excited to try that. This is from Mason HomeSense collection, and it is a Pottery Barn brand. This is their Solstice diffuser. I can never have enough diffusers or candles in my home, so I love this, and I actually have one of these already, so love that I can now put this in another room. And then last but not least, I picked this one out myself because it's so handy. It is from Botkier, New York, which is an incredible, well-known handbag company. They do a lot of really amazing leather goods, a lot of really great leather handbags. This is a nylon tote, and they actually also have the backpack available, which I was very close to selecting, but I ultimately went with the tote because I love totes. You can never have enough totes, and this is just great for work. This is great if you're a mom, you carry a lot of stuff, so I needed a good tote, especially a good black, solid black tote, which this is, with black straps. So I knew it would come handy and I could use it for anything really, and it would go with whatever I'm wearing. And I just love the details. Like here on the sides, it has zippers that go all the way down, and it does have a zipper closure, so it'll protect your things if you're riding the subway or you're out and about walking around town. You can zip it closed and not have to worry about pickpockets or things falling out. This is why totes are so great. They are so roomy. You can hold so much in here. It has a large zipper compartment here in the back, and then it has 2 pockets here in the front, so if you want to keep your wallet there or phones or pens. And yeah, just one of these bottomless bags, which I love. All right, and that was everything in my Members Picks FabFitFun box. Please let me know what you think about the products included. I will list everything and their price down in the description box below so you can see what the total value of this box is. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You might be surprised by exactly how much is in this. But I love this. I got to pick some of this, which I really appreciate because it's nice to have that choice. It's nice to be surprised, but then also be able to have a little say in what comes your way because, you know, like this, I don't have a nice tote that I can use to go to meetings with, go to events with, that'll hold a lot. So I needed this and now I have it. So that's great. And it's from a really well-known, established brand. So I love that. I love that you get some of the best that's out there, but also get introduced to some up-and-coming brands and products that are sure to please. And then once again, don't forget to check out the description box below so you can see how you get $10 off your first box. So you will only be paying $39.99 for over $200 worth of products. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever my videos go out. I make new videos every week, and I cover everything from fashion, beauty, DIY projects, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.